Hey guys, Tom here with Velocity. Today we're doing a quick video to show you how to operate an e-brake on a Bronco or any other truck that has this e-brake setup. So, first thing you're going to want to understand is the e-brake can only be operated when the engine is off. That's critical. I know it sounds a bit counterintuitive because we used to be able to use the e-brake at any time when we come to park up, but the e-brake will only operate when the engine is off. First thing you're going to want to do to check if the e-brake is on or off is look down here at this little button. This button will actually light up as the e-brake's being actuated, but before it lights up, you can tell if the e-brake is on or off by just running your finger across it. If the button is depressed, it means the e-brake is active. That's right now. We're sitting here stationary. We are in neutral on a manual truck, and I could take my foot off the brake. We're not going anywhere just by feeling it. Now, when I push this in, going to hear some noise and you're going to see the light start to flash. You'll actually hear underneath the truck the system working. That's disabling the e-brake. Once it's gone through its cycle, which will happen here in just a second, now the e-brake is off. I'm going to now do the reverse just to show you. Push the button in, it'll start flashing again to let you know that the system's operating. It's going to run like that for about 5 seconds and then it's going to stop. Actually, when you turn it on, the light will stay lit for extra seconds. You can see that there. That's so as you're getting out of the vehicle, you can tell that it's properly set up. When you walk away, leave it in the garage or on the driveway. So just going to show you a full example of what it would be like now to set the e-brake. The engine, the vehicle is running. I'm going to put my foot on the normal brake just so we have control. We're in neutral, we've come up to a stop. I'm turning the engine off, and after it's off, I'm pressing the button. The beeping will begin, it'll start flashing, and then at the end of this process, if I was on a hill or something like that, once that light goes full and it stops beeping, I would take my foot off the brake and I know the e-brake is fully set. To undo what we just did, so we just got in the vehicle, again without the vehicle on, what we would do is we would press the button would start flashing again, and if I was on a hill or somewhere where I am worried about the vehicle rolling, I would just depress the foot brake at that point, wait for the system to stop, and then I can go ahead and start driving like normal.